What are the benefits of going to church? Going to church can be beneficial for many reasons. 1. Spiritual growth. Attending church helps to strengthen your faith and deepen your spiritual connection. 2. Community support. It provides a sense of community and support from like-minded individuals. 3. Guidance and wisdom. Church sermons and teaching offers guidance and wisdom for navigating life's challenges. 4. Peace and reflection. It offers a peaceful environment for reflection and meditation. 5. Meaningful rituals. Participating in religious rituals and ceremonies can bring a sense of purpose and meaning to life. 6. Moral values. Church helps reinforce moral values and principles that can guide your action and decisions. 7. Sense of belonging. Being a part of a church community gives you a sense of belonging and acceptance, fostering social connection and friendship. 8. Support during hard times. Churches often offer supports and comfort during difficult times, such as illness, loss, or emotional distress and frustration. 9. Opportunities for service. Churches provide opportunities to serve others through volunteers work, charity events, and community outreach programs. 10. Positive influence. Regularly attending church can have a positive influences on your mental health, promoting feelings of hope, gratitude, and inner peace. 11. Family bonding. Going to church as a family can strengthen familial bonds and create lasting memories together. 12. Education and growth. Churches often host seminars, workshops, and classes that can help you learn and grow in various aspects of life. 13. Sense of purpose. Being a part of a church community can give you a sense of purpose and direction in life, helping you focus on what truly matters. 14. Cultural enrichment. Churches are often rich in culture and history, providing opportunities to learn about different traditions and practices. 15. Guidance for decision making. Church teachings and values can serve as a moral compass in decision making, helping you make choices aligned with your beliefs. 16. Celebration and joy. Churches celebrate special occasions such as wedding, baptism, Christmas, Good Friday, Easter Sunday. They bringing joy and festivity to your life. These benefits highlights the multifaceted ways in which attending church can enrich your life and contribute to your overall well-being. Thank you. God bless you all.